So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-send ng mga contacts or mag-share ng contacts sa ating WhatsApp. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And for learning more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating WhatsApp account or yung ating WhatsApp. And then, pagka-open guys, pumili lang kayo ng isang conversation kung saan gusto nyo mag-send or mag-share ng mga contacts. So, open nyo lang yung conversation. And dito guys, sa conversation, itap nyo lang yung file button na nandito sa message or write a message. And then, may magpa-pop up dyan na options. And dito, hanapin nyo lang yung contact. So, tap nyo lang yung contact. And pili na kayo dito guys sa inyong phone ng contact number na gusto nyo i-send. So, for example guys, is itong contact number na to, tap nyo lang. And then, pag may checkmark na green, tap nyo na dito yung send button. Kapag yun na yung isi-send ninyo. So, ito yun guys, yung isi-send ninyo na phone number. So, i-confirm nyo lang, tap nyo ulit yung send button. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nakasend na yung contact number dito sa ating WhatsApp. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-send ng contacts or mag-share ng contacts sa ating WhatsApp. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.